One of the biggest opportunities is happening right now in wholesaling real estate. According to Adam data, foreclosures are up 28% year over year from March 2025. The new data just got dropped a couple days ago. And basically what this means is the amount of foreclosures happening, people not paying their mortgage, people going into pre-foreclosure is up 28%, which is an absolutely insane number. Even the monthly change from last month is 18%. And I know March sounds like, oh my gosh, well, we're talking about this in April. Well, this was just dropped 3 days ago from Adam data on April 17th. And what this basically means is there are more motivated sellers now than there ever has been before last year. 28% for pre-foreclosures to be exact. And this is an absolutely insane opportunity for people watching this. Because if you were skipping the pre-foreclosures last year, there's 28% more now. And this is like a canary in the coal mine because that means there's more code violations than ever. Tax liens in general. Probably more tax delinquencies. Probably not more probates, to be fair. And these are some of the states where it's happening the most. Now, I might be like, well, Zach, why is this a big deal? Why is this such a massive opportunity? And isn't the market crashing and this isn't good? This is actually the worst thing ever. Well, let me explain what's happening in the real estate market, especially in 2026, that is super unique that I've really never seen and nobody else really has. Where the normal trend line when it comes to wholesaling is if there's a big spike in, let's say, foreclosures, that's usually due to the fact that there's a massive amount of properties being now thrown on the market, which will entail having a higher supply. And when supply goes up, usually there's going to be indicative of a crashing real estate market. Real estate is crashing, which according to everybody makes it bad for wholesaling, which I actually don't believe. That was pretty much how 2008 was, right? There is real estate crashing, and real estate was crashing because the economy sucked, and then people couldn't pay their mortgages, and there's a high amount of foreclosures happening. Now, usually what this means is foreclosures are up. That means there's actually more contracts you can get, right? It's easier to go talk to motivated sellers. It's easier to write wholesaling deals up. But when it's crashing, it's over here harder to go out here and sell a wholesale deal. So this is traditional wholesaling, right? It's actually easier when there's more foreclosures to go out here and get contracts. There's more motivated sellers, more contracts to have. And what sucks is the crash, which usually what happens is not good. When prices go down, it's harder to go out here and sell your wholesale deals. So usually it's always a give and take. It's easier to get contracts, but it's harder to sell them. But the unique situation we're having in 2026 now is we are having a nice big spike. I mean, I'll call 28% a pretty good spike in foreclosures and probably who knows what else. We can track foreclosures. It's very hard to track code violations. But we're having a spike in foreclosures, which is a good sign for more contracts. But we're finding prices are not crashing or going up too much. They're pretty much being very stable. Now, to be fair, every real estate market's different. But if you want to use an example here, right, the number one state for pre-foreclosures right now, foreclosures in general, is South Carolina. 1 out of 1,996 homes are now being foreclosed on, which is not like 2008 standards, but it's the highest in the entire country. And what's funny is if you look at like a market like Columbia, South Carolina, prices are actually up 1.3% year over year. Now, some markets are a little different. So if I want to go out here and look at Maryland, for example, prices in Baltimore, Maryland are down 1% year over year. Now, I may be like, oh my gosh, the real estate crash. Okay, this is not crash 1.1% year over year. But what's interesting is if a crash is happening or if prices are down 1% year over year in Baltimore, but foreclosures are up 28%, that is a positive net to wholesaling real estate because you're going to get 28% more motivated sellers, which is good. And maybe it's 1% harder to go out here and sell a wholesale deal. So I will tell you that this is a net positive. Okay. There's like a 27% difference here. Now, again, it's not 1-for-1 difference here, but if there's going to be 30% more motivated sellers saying, I want to sell my property now, I want to sell it, and it's only 1% prices going down. So you have to just probably adjust 1 to 2% with your cash buyers. This is an awesome net positive. It's very hard to find this weird correlation. I think this is just where we're at with the economy. With high inflation and the economy where it's like prices are trying to stable right now. It's a weird spot, but foreclosures are spiking like crazy. This is absolutely like, I've never seen anything like this. And this is an amazing opportunity for you right now watching. So really think about this. If it's easier to get contracts and maybe slightly harder to sell, or maybe even just regular difficulty to sell, this makes wholesaling real estate easier. Now, if you remember post-COVID, like 2021, 2022, there was not as many foreclosures happening and prices were actually going up, which meant pretty much it was just harder to wholesale. It was a net negative to the wholesaling space. Like, for example, if you look at like 2022, right, there were a lot less foreclosures. They're actually going down. If you look right here, I mean, 2021, it was like one of the lowest, 2022. Like foreclosures were actually going down, but guess what happened? Prices went out here and spiked. And what does this mean? This means it was actually extremely harder to go out here and get a deal, but it was really easy to go out here and sell the deal. We're in a part now where it's now getting easier to go get a contract, and it's just as easy as before to go out here and sell it, which again is a positive net to the wholesaling space for 2026. So what does this mean for you getting started in wholesaling real estate in 2026? Pretty obvious. Number one, you need to be a pre-foreclosure prince, or if you're a gal, be a pre-foreclosure princess, okay? Go out here and be the king or queen of pre-foreclosures. Go to the clerk of the court, go to the list penances, actually pull that data. You are going to be going out here and getting, I would say, 100 to 200 of them every single week. What I need you to do is take that data, I'd import it into a website like xleads.com, because that's the best skip tracing. It beats everybody else. And then I'd go out here and I would text the sellers, and I would go out here and put a reverse drawing for dollars sticky note on the property. That's what you got to be doing. Again, I would love to tell you to cold call pre-foreclosures. These are not good leads to cold call, but they are amazing for texting and reverse drawing for dollars. So if you have a budget for texting, xleads.com is 1 penny per text. So you can use xleads for the skip tracing and the SMS texting if you have a budget. If you don't have a budget, go out here to the dollar store, get a little sticky note, write on it, hey, this is Zach, I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. Put a Google voice number. When somebody calls you, say, "Hey, someone called me. Someone said to call me on a sticky note here. Hey, this is Zach. Hey, me and my partner are actually looking to buy properties in the area. Are you interested in selling it?" Then from there, go to the property, make an offer, close them over the phone, and go out here and get a wholesaling deal. I'd probably push people to text because texting is way easier. On top of that too, you don't even need to pay for xleads to text. You can literally go out here on Google Voice and text up to 5 to 10 text messages per hour and just text the pre-foreclosures using like cyber background checks or truepeoplesearch.com. But like, this is an absolutely crazy, insane, urgent video. And the reason I need to make this is the data just came out and I'm literally recording this hours before I leave for my honeymoon. Like, I literally got married 2 days ago. Like, look, I got a ring now, like crazy, right? Like, I literally just got married and I'm about to go on my honeymoon, but like, I literally had to run out to the office, record this video to let you know about this new data, because this is like absolutely crazy, urgent stuff. This means probably code violations are up like crazy now. Probably seeing more tax delinquents, more liens being filed. And you're just sitting here on your butt doing nothing? Go out here and start taking work. Go out here and get the action. Start going after these deals. It's getting more and more motivated sellers. Are you just gonna sit around? Guys, the wholesaling market cycle is gonna change again. If inflation spikes up like crazy, and we have some big run up in real estate, they cut real interest rates, this market might not be a net positive. It might be a net negative. We don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. But what I can tell you is right now, based off the data, this is the time to attack. This is the time to start marketing. This is the time to start changing your life. Stop sitting around and start getting to work. If you want to go out here and start doing it, guys, join my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com. But you don't even, just start pulling the list and talking to these sellers and getting wholesaling deals. Either you sit around or you watch other people get rich. And I know, as a guy that loves xleads and all these other wholesaling softwares, you can technically pull a pre-foreclosure list from them. But that data is 2 to 3 weeks old. I don't care what service you use. They're always 2 to 3 weeks old. You got to pull it straight from the county. That's why you need to head over to freewholesaling.com, freewholesaling.com, and start getting to work, guys. If you're excited to get started, start making some money wholesaling real estate, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Guys, this is Zach signing out. I'm actually gonna be out for the next 2 weeks on my honeymoon, close my biggest deal of my life. I will be able to keep working the business maybe 1-2 hours a day, but I won't be on the streams, unfortunately. I'm going to start recording and posting some videos from the honeymoon. And I'm going to do one wholesaling topic I'm probably going to post on here. But Rick's got the streams for the next 2 weeks, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Start going out here and start making me proud and go out here and attack the pre-foreclosures. It's the best opportunity ever. Guys, I appreciate it. See you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.